Have you ever wondered about the origins of one of the world's oldest books, the Torah? This sacred text has influenced countless lives, societies, and civilizations, but what is its true history? Our journey begins thousands of years ago, in a time when civilization was in its infancy. The Torah, also known as the Pentateuch, is the first 5 books of the Hebrew Bible. Tradition holds that these books were written by Moses himself during the Israelites' 40-year sojourn in the desert, following their liberation from slavery in Egypt. Scholars, however, believe that the Torah was composed over several centuries, from around 1200 BCE to 400 BCE. It's thought that the books of the Torah are a compilation of various sources, each reflecting different periods and perspectives within ancient Israelite society. The Torah is central to Jewish law, ethics, and theology. It's divided into 54 portions, each read in synagogue services throughout the year. Its narratives, laws, and teachings form the foundation of Jewish culture and religion, shaping the Jewish understanding of God, humanity, and the universe. But the Torah is more than just a religious text. It's an historical document, a moral compass, and a guide to understanding the world. It's a story of a people and their relationship with a divine power. It's a tale of creation, exile, revelation, and redemption. In this brief journey through the history and significance of the Torah, we've explored its origins, from its traditional attribution to Moses to its scholarly analysis as a compilation of ancient sources. We've delved into its structure, its role in Jewish life, and its wider significance as an influential text. We've also touched on the Torah's themes and narratives, from the creation of the world to the Israelites' journey from slavery to freedom. We've seen how its teachings have shaped Jewish law, ethics, and theology, and how they continue to resonate in the modern world. At its heart, the Torah is a testament to the enduring power of story, the importance of law, and the quest for a meaningful life. It's a book that invites us to probe deeper, to question, to seek wisdom, and to grapple with the greatest mysteries of existence. The Torah is not just a book, but a living, breathing document that has shaped and continues to shape the lives of millions. It's a testament to the depth and richness of human experience, a mirror in which we can see our own struggles, hopes, and dreams reflected. And so, as we close this brief exploration, remember that the Torah is more than a historical relic or a religious tome. It's a guidebook for life, a beacon of wisdom, and a testament to the enduring power of faith and community. That's the beauty, the mystery, the challenge, and the reward of the Torah. It's a book that invites us to explore, to question, to learn, and to grow. It's a journey that begins with a single step, a single word, a single story. And it's a journey that, once begun, never truly ends. So next time you see a Torah scroll, think about the history it carries, the wisdom it imparts, and the stories it tells. It's more than just an old book. It's a testament to the human spirit, a chronicle of a people's journey, and a guide to living a meaningful life. And that's the Torah, a book of life, a book of wisdom, a book of stories, a book that has shaped and continues to shape the world we live in today.